Hi, my name is Suki Dhanda and I'm a photographer. I used to study at Plymouth College of Art. I chose Plymouth College of Art because I thought it'd be a new venture. Plymouth was somewhere completely new to me and I thought it'd be quite exciting, be by the seaside and there's a countryside too. So my day-to-day, I do end up doing a lot of work for The Guardian and The Observer, where I'm going on location or working in studios, photographing just about everyone and anyone really, celebrities or just ordinary people in their environments. Honestly, when you first see your picture published, it's a really, really exciting time. You're always trying to kind of move it forward. You're learning still. I just think in anything you just can't be complacent. So I work a lot commercially, but I've been working on my personal work over the years. And to be honest, I get a real kick at doing that kind of work because it's not my everyday work. It's when you just go off on your own, and I keep it really simple just with the camera. It's quite something really. What I would say to graduates, I would say just don't stop. Don't stop taking pictures, or just don't stop doing what you've kind of been doing all these years studying.
It's taken me everywhere. It's just taken me to so many different countries, met so many different people I probably wouldn't ever meet, had I not been doing what I'm doing.